What's up YouTube, JK here. Today I want to talk to you about what is affiliate marketing, what are some companies that offer affiliate programs, what is it required to start an affiliate program, and who is affiliate marketing for. So if these are topics that interest you, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and let's get it. Affiliate marketing, it's a powerful business model that most modern businesses support. The way this works, typically affiliates are provided with a unique tracking link, and they use this to track people that they referred. And it's a business model that it's going to be around for a very long time. Large companies like Amazon Associates, you have eBay, Partner Network, you have Target affiliates, you have AliExpress, you have Best Buy, and then you have companies like Tesla that have affiliate programs. Some of you are probably wondering already, what are some of the programs that I'm affiliated with? Amazon Associates, it's a big one. ClickBank is also one that I participate in. Legendary Marketer. What is it required to start an affiliate program? Well, starting an affiliate program requires investment of time and some finance. Once you get to know some of the tools and some of the things that you could do around affiliate marketing, you can exploit a lot of the tools that these companies provide to do it at no cost. Who's affiliate marketing for? Someone who already has a following. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom who wants to earn some extra cash. Or maybe you work an 8 to 5 and you just want to have a couple extra dollars. Or maybe you want to start building towards quitting your 8 to 5. It's all up to you. It depends on what you want, what your goals are. So I want to share 2 challenges that to me, I feel like they're very powerful as far as affiliate marketing goes, understanding how the internet works, understanding how internet marketing works. It's Legendary Marketer Challenge. And basically they taught me a lot about building high ticket, high profit businesses online. Below is a link to all my social media profiles. Click on it and there's gonna be a challenge called a 15-day online challenge. And there's going to be a challenge called the 30-day online challenge. Challenge yourself mentally, invest in yourself mentally. I want to pay it forward and share the opportunity that's really changed my life. I want to help others. I want to help others be free. I want to help others live their dreams. I think there's a lot of potential here. Thank you guys. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like. You guys have a great day. Peace.